Hey, what's up guys? So I get a lot of questions asking me the differences between the KZ-ZSTs versus the KZ-ZST Pros. I also get asked a lot which ones are better, so I decided I'm just going to make a video since I did get the regular KZ-ZSTs that just came in a few days ago. So for the most part, they're pretty much the same. You can tell they've got the same shape, same size, and they ship with the same items inside as well. The same ear tips, same cable. They also have the same amount of drivers. They have one balanced armature driver in the front, and then one dynamic driver in the back. So the main differences that I can hear between both of these earphones is on the ZST Pros, these colorful ones that I have right here in my hands, these have a stronger bass to them. Now it's not a huge difference, it's more on the subtle side, so you do have to pay attention and then you'll notice it. Also, I'm noticing that the highs are more pronounced, giving the Pros slightly more detail within the sound. It is, again, it's subtle, but it's there. And the Soundstage is better, making the Pros more airy or open sounding, if you will. So those are the sound differences that I can hear between the KZ-ZST Pros and the regular KZ-ZSTs. Again though, you do need to pay close attention because the differences are very subtle. So I guess in a sense they share the same characteristics when it comes to the sound, besides for the highs, the bass and the soundstage being slightly less pronounced on the KZ-ZST regulars, also known as the carbon fiber black ones. Honestly, I don't know why this is. I don't think KZ intended on calling the colorful ones the ZST Pros. I think it just happened that way because maybe consumers were complaining that the colorful ones sounded different than the carbon fiber lookalike ones. Because if you think about it, they would have added it to the box. Things like that you always want to market. It just doesn't make any sense to me. So I think they just decided to add the Pro, or I don't even think KZ added the Pro. I didn't even check. Maybe it was just the retailers that decided to differentiate between the ZST colorfuls and the ZST carbon fiber lookalikes. I think that was their way of kind of doing it because people complained about the differences between them. Or maybe KZ just called them Pro to begin with. I don't know. But those are the differences. Either way, both of these earphones are a great choice for the price. I personally, though, prefer the KZ-ZST Pros, these colorful ones right here. But again, either one will do. They sound really great, especially for the price. Hopefully that answered your questions. Yeah, but that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.